Hello guys, so if you're not getting all the views and subscribers that you need for your channel to grow, I am here to show you how to do this, and you're going to getting all the subscribers and views that you want. This is a new channel that I just created barely a month ago, and these tricks and methods I've been using have been working for me, and I've been getting all the views and subscribers. So if you're interested in how I'm getting the subscribers and you want to know how it works, this is really a new method that people have not been using, and I just barely started this new trick and it has been working for me, and I want it to work for you as well. So if you're interested in knowing how I got to know about this trick, I'm going to be showing in this video. And we're going to be making use of our YouTube studio. Yes, straight to the point. We're using our YouTube studio and just your YouTube studio, and you're good to go. I'm going to be showing you the tricks. Yes, I'm not hiding anything in this video, so I'm going to show you how I got this done. So if you're interested, keep watching. We're going to be using our YouTube studio in the Chrome browser, so I'm just going to go back to the Chrome browser. I'm just going to take up the tab where I already logged in, continue to studio. Then I'm going to show you what you have to turn off for you to get all the watch hour and the views that you're looking for. So this method I've been using, it has been working for me. So I'm going to go over to the customization section on the when I log into my channel. So when I log into my channel, I'm going to go over to the customization. See that option of home tab. I'm going to click on home tab, and then I'm going to click on that more setting that you see over there. Click on more setting. When I click on that more setting, you're going to see what's going to pop up. You're going to see all content, recommended, recent content. So this is already on all content. So I'm going to tap on the option of recent content for YouTube to recommend your recent content to the viewers that come across your channel. When you do this, you're going to get all the views and all the subscribers. I've been doing it and I've been getting views, and when you get views, you get subscribers. So when you don't get views, there's no hope for you to get subscribers. So this have been working for me, and my watch hours have been growing, and I thought to come to share with you guys here. Do this, and there are other things that you can try out. You can check out more videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, check out on my channel. You're going to see more. Bye. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I know you found it very helpful. This is Famous tutorial. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share this video. Okay, I will see you on another one. Bye.